Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Bone Fraction Detection and Classification using Deep Learning Approach. Our project abstract is this bone is major component of the human body. So bone providing the ability to move on the body, so that bone fracture are common in the human body. So the doctor is X-ray image to diagnosis of the fracture of bone. The manual fracture detection detecting the time consuming and then error probability changing in the height. Therefore, is automated system is the developed to the diagnosis of the fractured bone. The deep learning algorithm, CNN algorithm, which we have trained that model. In this fraction, we have find out to the classify for the healthy bone and then fractured bone. The deep learning model getting the overfitting on the small data set. That is the data augmentation techniques has been used in the increased size of the data set. Three experimental we have evaluated the performance analysis, softmax and Adam optimization method. The classification of proposed algorithm we get the 92.44 percentage of accuracy, and then the healthy bone, and then fractured bone. So the five-fold cross validation we are checking. So we can the losses based on the 10 percentage of loss data and then more than 95 percentage of data. Our project flow chart is so first we have taken the input image data set. First we have taken the bone fracture data set. After the image pre-processing step, we have resized the image and data splitting process, 80% of training and 20% of testing. After the classification model, so we are using the CNN algorithm model. Finally we have predict your performance analysis. So prediction based on you will select the test image, we have automatically predict your the bone fracture is deducted or non-deducted. We have find out the prediction. Performance analysis we are calculating accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confidence matrix, everything. So first we have open your model data set. So first we have opened the spider tool. After the execute dot model.py, first we have importing the library functions. So it based on the first we have calculate the fracture and non-fractured images. After calculating the pixel of height and width, after that the rotating the model, so we have placed it. After that the model wise we have trained the model. So first we have the 25 epochs, we get the 98 percentage of accuracy.